In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Canva using the Ascend effect. To get started, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to add animated text. This can be any type of project, such as a presentation, social media graphic, or video canvas. Once your design is open, go to the text element you want to animate and select it. Make sure the text box itself is active because the animation settings will apply specifically to the selected text. After selecting your text, look for the Animate option and click on it. This will open the animation panel, where Canva gives you a variety of text animation styles to choose from. In this case, choose the Ascend animation. This effect gives your text a smooth rising motion, which works especially well when you want your words to feel more dynamic and polished without being too distracting. Once Ascend is applied, you can customize how the animation behaves. Canva may give you the option to decide whether the animation happens when the text enters, when it exits, or both. Choose the setting that best fits your project. If you want the text to appear with movement and then leave with movement as well, selecting both can create a more complete effect. If you only want a simple introduction, then enter animation may be enough. You may also see options for how the animation is applied to the text itself. For example, Canva can animate the text per word or per line. For this tutorial, choose Word. This means each word will animate individually, which often looks more engaging and helps create a smoother, more professional visual rhythm when the text appears on screen. Next, choose the direction of the animation. You can usually set it to move upward or downward. An upward direction often feels more uplifting and natural for Ascend, while a downward direction can create a slightly different stylistic effect depending on your design. Pick the direction that matches the tone and layout of your project. After that, your text animation is set. Take a moment to preview it so you can see how it looks in motion and make sure it fits well with the rest of your design. Small animation choices like timing, direction, and word-by-word movement can make a big difference in how polished your final content feels. And that's how to animate text in Canva with the Ascend effect.